We are Adasoft Software Training Services. This is the tutorial for the beginners in Autocad software.
Hi friends, today we will discuss about hyperlink tool in Autocad. Using this tool, you can link an object in the current drawing with the other drawings. After linking, just click on that object. The linked drawing is open. If you change the file location of linked file, this option is not working properly. Hyperlinks are not visible in the drawing unless you hover over them with the cursor. Let's move to the video for a demonstration of hyperlink tool. Here I open a project. Site plan of this project is drawn in another file, Autocad file. So I linked that Autocad file with this text using hyperlink option. Hyperlink tool is active by using the shortcut Ctrl+K. Select the object. Click on enter. Now hyperlink dialog box is open. From here you can attach the linked file. Here attach the site plan, open and click OK. Now the linking is completed. For open the site plan, just click on this text by pressing Ctrl key. Now the site plan is opened and our current drawing is here. If you want to remove this hyperlink from this text, again press Ctrl key and select the object. Now you get a remove link option. Click on that. Now the link for this text is removed. Thank you for watching this video.